Olivia, can you say hot mama?
Mommy.
Say hot mama.
Mommy.
Can you say Zoe?
Zoe.
Good girl. Can you say Olivia?
Olivia.
Good job. Can you say April?
April.
Good job. Can you say Luke?
Look.
Good job. Can you say Grandma?
Grandma.
Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Good girl. Can you say strawberry?
Stop.
Good try. Can you say nose?
Nose.
Can you say eyes?
Eye.
Can you say ears? Olivia, can you say ears? Yeah, cheer.
Hat.
Nope, not hot. Can you say doggy?
Ducky.
What does a doggy say?
Rubber.
Good girl. Can you say kitty?
Kitty.
What does a kitty say?
Oh.
Good job. Meow. Can you say bird?
But.
Good job. What does a bird say? Good girl. Didn't know you knew all these this well. Can you say monkey?
Monkey.
What does a monkey say? What does a monkey say? Please. What does a monkey say, Livy? Olivia. What does a monkey say?
Mommy.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Good job. Can you say cheese? Can you say please?
Purple.
Apple. Can you say please?
My papa.
All gone. Can you say bye-bye?
Papa.